going to share a simple way to make some scrambled eggs for breakfast. You need 2 large eggs or 3 medium eggs, a glass bowl, a wooden spoon or soft spatula, a pinch of salt, 6 tablespoons of full fat milk or cream, a whisk, some butter and a good quality frying pan. Carefully pour the eggs into your glass bowl. Don't drop the shell like we did. Then whisk the eggs until smooth. Add the 6 tablespoons of full cream milk or cream into your mixture and put some salt. Then put the butter into your pan and let it melt. Don't make it brown because your eggs will turn brown. Pour your mixture in the pan and stir it. Give it a good stir for 20 seconds, then leave it. Then stir it again and give it a good scrape. Repeat until your eggs look like this, soft and yet smooth. Now they are ready to serve. Enjoy your scrambled eggs.